I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cotton candy banner in Minecraft. First, you'll need to gather your materials. Start by crafting a plain white banner using 6 white wool blocks and 1 stick. You'll also need a loom along with pink, light blue, and white dyes to achieve that sweet, swirled look. The loom is where all the magic happens, allowing you to layer different patterns. Now, let's add the first layer of color. Place your white banner into the loom's banner slot, and then add your light blue dye. From the pattern options, choose the base gradient pattern. This will apply a beautiful, soft light blue fade across the bottom half of your banner, starting to give it that airy cotton candy feel. Next, we'll introduce the vibrant pink. With your banner still in the loom, add the pink dye. This time, select the chief indented pattern. This will create a striking jagged pink section at the top of your banner, contrasting beautifully with the light blue. You can also experiment with another gradient pattern for a softer, more blended appearance if you prefer. For the ultimate cotton candy look, let's add a fluffy finish. Put your banner back into the loom and add white dye. Select the border indented pattern. This will create a lovely, soft white border around the edges, truly completing the cotton candy aesthetic. Your unique, sweet-looking banner is now ready to display in your Minecraft world, adding a touch of whimsical charm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.